Hello, I'm here outside the Parker Meridien in Mexico City on Reforma, and I'm gonna go give you a tour of my room here, of the restaurant, of the pool, of the gym. Let's go take a look inside.
Whoops, it's just Le Meridien. So over here immediately, I will show you in a minute, is the restaurant. And this is where you get breakfast service if you're a Bonvoy member. Check-in is located up these stairs, right up there. And then you can ride these elevators to go into the gym, to see the pool, or to go up to your room. Now, please note that in the lobby, if you like Starbucks, there is a Starbucks coffee right here located close by. Let's go check out the lobby upstairs. So here is the lobby. This is the check-in area over here where you can check in. The elevators to go up. And then this is the Latitude bar space where you can hang out, grab a drink. I think a free drink is included, or at least it was with our hotel, and then go out down there. Now, it's the morning now, so I'm gonna go and show you down in the lobby into the restaurant. And let's take a peek inside the restaurant to see what breakfast is on display.
Well, as I walk down to the breakfast, I just want to say hi and thanks for watching this video. My name is Nick Gray and I travel all around the world and I show the hotels that I pay for in full cash and I give my honest review of how they are. Here's the breakfast. Let's go inside. All right, I'm gonna do a room tour video. Here is my junior suite or whatever. I don't know what it is. I'll tell you what it is in a second, but this is the room setup. And you can see this is the living room. This TV, by the way, finally has Netflix. After visiting so many hotels here in Mexico City, I am very happy to finally get a hotel with Netflix. This is a little pull-out sofa. Is this a bed? Let's see. Yes, it is. It's a bed here, so it does pull out into a bed in this area. This is the kitchenette type space. And by the way, if you're watching this, hello. My name is Nick Gray. I love making these videos for my friends when I travel. Do me a favor and give me a like or leave a comment down below. It would mean a lot to me. This is the Parker Meridien here in Mexico City. And I'll show you what's down. Let's see, is this the refrigerator? Here is a refrigerator that the room has. I gotta be honest, we think this is our favorite room so far. It's very large, about 500 square feet. I'll show you the enormous bathroom here with all of the amenities, the complimentary water, the soaps that they have down here. This is a common soap that we see here at Marriott Bonvoy. The toilet and the toilet paper and the bath. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this bath. Staying at the Sheraton last night, which had frankly a not as good bath situation. I did not like that at all. All right, I'm gonna shift and transition into this next area now. I'm gonna take you into the bedroom here to show you how this looks. Very nice bedroom. Now I have the two doubles because that is my sleeping preference, but most of the rooms here are kings. The televisions, as I told you about, all have Netflix. I'll show you the view here in a minute, but first I just want to point out the working desk area, since this is important to me and how we're able to work. I'll show you something interesting. So it does have wired Ethernet. Some people ask me about that, but I do want to show you next to the bedroom here, one of the first hotels in Mexico City that we've seen that just has this simple little, power and USB. It's very easy to add to the rooms, and I really wish more hotels would do that. So here is this area of the room. We'll continue with a property tour to show you the pool soon. I'm curious to know if there were, here's the what do we have in there? We have the, pardon me, we have the iron and the ironing board, plenty of hangers. I'm curious to know whether there were bathrobes. I haven't seen that yet. But anyhow, this concludes the tour of my room. We'll go down to the pool next. We're going to explore the pool now on level B2, and I'm gonna show you. It's also where the gym is located. We'll go in there in a second. But first, I just wanna show you what this pool looks like. Absolutely incredible. That is the hot tub over there. Here's the pool. It looks like a depth of about 5 feet. Now we're down here at about 9 o'clock and nobody is in this pool. We have the whole thing to ourselves. I don't know if there's showers over here, so let's take a little peek and we'll see. These are the baños. Yes, there is a shower. Fantastic. We'll go back and check out the gym and take a look, but this is the pool, as you can see. Absolutely incredible space. And inside the gym, which we'll just look at right here. Maybe I'll go walk inside. I'll give you a little tour of the gym. We'll go check that out. Now, I believe that like most hotels, this gym is open 24 hours a day. You might be wondering what equipment is here at the gym. Oh no, I just realized you guys are gonna see me in the mirror because I got dressed to go to the pool. Don't judge me, this is me. Hello, sorry. All right, but we'll focus on this. So here's the weights, an excellent weight kit over here. I see towels, plenty of water bottles, this machine, some walking treadmills, and then of course the famous hotel ellipticals that many have. Well, I'll grab a bottle of water myself and head back to the pool. But for you, we'll continue. I think the next part of the tour that you'll see me at is we'll go into the lobby maybe. Let's see. See you in a minute. Well, that's the summary. That's a wrap here at the Parker Meridien, here in Mexico City. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this, will you give it a link and leave me a comment and let me know when you're going to check it out. Thanks for watching.